Shúlóid go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is Misha Arge agus Tapaidh na seachtain inniu, Taistil Laethúil, Daily Travel. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Bike, Rothar, Carr, Come, Tar, Commute. An Turas chun na hoibre. Destination, Ceann scríbe. Early, Luath no moch. Fast, Tapa no Gasta. Fee, Taille, Greenway. Bealach glas. Journey, Turas. Late, Déanach no mal. Leave, fag. Long, Fada. Off you go. Imigh. Quick, Skippe, Gasta no Tapaidh. Ride on. Taistil road, bóthar. Slow, mal. Street, SráidStroll, Siúlóid. To drive a car, Carr a Commute. To arrive somewhere, Imigh. Walk, Siúl, way, Bealach no slí. I don't care. It's cummalum. I don't mind. Ní mistalum. I do be looking out the window. Bí me fécinn amach an inneog. I don't like driving. Ní mailam a chummage. No, ní hat ní an chummage. I have a long commute. Bín Turas Fada chun na hoibre agam. I have a long journey today. Tá Turas Fada Roman you. I like driving. Is mailam a chummage. No, tá ní an chummage. Biggie Parcha Harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.